Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. Now today we're going to be talking about Smart Link, which is an amazing feature that Monetag provides its users to actually make money. So this video is basically for anybody that does content creation. Maybe you have a social media platform, right, like a page on Facebook, possibly maybe YouTube, TikTok, or even if you're writing blogs, right, this will be the video for you. So the Smart Link feature, as I've said, like it allows you to actually make money. Right? How do you do that? In simple terms, you simply post your smart link where your audience is bound to find it, right? Whether it's in a post or maybe a video somewhere on YouTube or even on the blog, right? And when your audience actually click on that link, they will be redirected to certain ads, right? And if they watch those ads, you get paid. That's it. And I'm actually going to show you how you can actually do that in this video. So as long as you've got traffic, you can actually use Monetag to make money through that traffic. And it's actually a great alternative as opposed to other platforms that are out there. Why should you choose Monetag? Now, there are many reasons why you should choose to use Monetag. Now, the first one is it does work with the multiple platforms, right? From TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and others. And two, it offers fast payouts, right? And its payment threshold are very low. That is, you can actually get paid if you reach $5. Three, it does work around the world, right? Regardless of where you are or where you live, you can actually use Monetag. And four, it does provide support 24/7, which means if you have any issues, they do have agents that will help you to solve those problems. So to register on Monetag is basically very simple. All you have to do is to go to www.monetag.com and just complete the sign up process. Or you can simply click the link on the description. I've provided a link for you. Click on that and it will take you to a sign up page where you have to enter your details. And when you're doing the registration, it is important that you put your actual details, right? Because this will be very important, especially when it comes to payment, right? Because you're going to be using payment platforms such as PayPal, Skrill, and others. And the platform will need you to verify your information when it comes to linking those payment processes to your account. So that is why it is very, very important to actually use your real details. So in order to avoid any problems when it comes to getting your payments. Now, assuming that you've registered, right, your dashboard will look like this. So on the top, we've got the statistics, we've got the direct link, we've got the referral, and also the payments as well. So in this case, where can you find your smart link? Now, your smart link is basically this direct link right here. And if you click on it, you can actually see your links right here. So in my case, I've already generated like 2 of these links. And if I need to generate like a third link, all I have to do is go to add direct link and simply click this thing and a new link will pop up here. And I can simply copy this link and simply go to any of my posts or maybe it's my blog and post it there. So this is actually how you can actually create your smart link and use it. So apart from the smart link, we've got the statistics. So here you can actually monitor the traffic depending on the type of tool that you're using, right? So in my case, I will simply leave mine on all, which means I'm monitoring all the traffic from all these options. But again, I've only managed to use this tool only. So basically all this traffic is from a smart link, right? So as you can see, I've got only 6 impressions for a period of 1 month, right? So between 28 February and 28 March. And these clicks actually came from a link that I actually posted in some of my posts right here on Facebook and also on YouTube, right? Moving on to another option, which is the payments, right? Now under the payments, you can actually see how much you've made, right? So in my case, I've made only 2 cents because I haven't gotten much traffic right here. And the withdrawal balance is $5, right? So if I reach $5, I'll be able to withdraw, right? Which is very, very nice. So you can actually see like the earnings, right? You can actually customize this to view your earnings from different months and things like that. Then if you've gotten paid, you can actually see the payments right here. And you do have a variety of payment options, as I've mentioned before, like you've got PayPal, you've got Skrill, you've got Pioneer, cryptocurrencies, and all these payment processes. Personally, I would say this is actually one of the most interesting part of Monetag, right? Because they do provide a variety of these payment processes, which other platforms do not, right? And the next option in which you can actually make money on this platform is through their referral program right here. So here you can actually get paid to refer people. So if you're able to refer different types of influencers or content creators, blog writers, or anything like that, and they make use of this platform, you actually get paid, right? And the payment is basically based on how much these people actually make, right? You get a commission from their earnings. For every referral that you actually bring to the platform, you get a 5%, right, of all the referrals revenue, which is basically a nice way to earn, right? Now back to the direct link or smart link. How do you use this? To do that, you basically come to your direct link like this one and you copy it, right? For example, in a Facebook post, right, you can actually go to your Facebook, then go to any post if you're posting something, right? I'll say in this case, let me just edit this, then possibly go to edit post right here, and you can actually come to any part right here and simply copy and paste it right here, and then you simply say next, and then you save the post, right? And if you want to check if it works, you can come to this part and simply click on it, right? And if you've got a blog or something like that, you can actually do the same thing, right? Highlight the word, any word, like for example, the action word, right? And simply go to the link option and paste the link right here as well, and simply say apply, right? And that will be it. And you can actually check it right here if you click on this part right here, and that's just about it, right? But again, do not use it on Google side because it doesn't usually work well with Google side. So it's actually better if you have an actual blog like WordPress or something like that and paste it there, because that one allows you to advertise things, while its Google site doesn't. This is actually for teachers and anything like that. You can advertise anything right here. So in simple terms, that's basically how you use your smart link. So guys, I hope you find this video very informative. And again, thank you for watching this video. And until then, see you on the next one.